Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your PC meets Hello Neighbors requirements and closing resource hogs. Once done, check for Windows and GPU driver updates. This often fixes stutters by improving API performance. Make sure the game is installed on an SSD or fast drive, and verify integrity of game files through the launcher so corrupted assets aren't causing load delays. Finally, disable overlays and background recording, because they frequently steal CPU/GPU time and spike frame drops. Now you adjust in-game visuals and network settings to stabilize performance. Reduce render scale or resolution and drop demanding effects like shadows and particles. This lowers GPU load and raises frame pacing. Then limit background downloads and use a wired Ethernet connection to reduce packet latency. If necessary, enable router co-s to prioritize gaming traffic. Also make sure vsync or adaptive sync is configured to avoid tearing without introducing input lag. And test settings iteratively. Finally, optimize system power and verify thermal health to prevent throttling. Switch to a high-performance power plan and set your GPU to prefer maximum performance so clocks don't downshift during gameplay. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures and clean dust or improve cooling if you see spikes. If lag persists, perform a clean boot to isolate software conflicts, reinstall or roll back drivers, and verify game files again. One key troubleshooting tip: try a fresh Windows user account to rule out profile-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.